Alright, so what's up guys? So today I'm actually going to be throwing on the first mod on the M2 comp. It is going to be Catless Downpipes from VRSF. Um, we're going to be heading to my job right now since I have two lifts there and everything and all my tools. And I'm going to be doing the install there, make it easier for me and easier for you guys to watch instead of me being on the ground. And honestly, I don't like doing that stuff. And yeah guys, so stay tuned for this downpipe install. It's fairly simple if you're pretty mechanically inclined. I'm gonna go do this as an install video, so show you pretty much almost step by step what to do. And yeah guys, stay tuned and we're on our way to my work. Alright then guys, we are here at my dealer. These are my two racks at work, so we're gonna get ready, start installing these downpipes. Got the car racked up, all set. So stay tuned. This is going to be a pretty cool, easy install video for the M2 comp. Let's do a walk around real quick. Fire guys, so let's get it. Alright then guys, going under the car, you're gonna want to remove this big old skid plate right here first. So let's get started on that. Alright then guys, it's been removed, so you can check out, see how it looks. So those are the catted downpipes. First thing we're gonna do is remove these 11mm bolts, 4 of them. Then after that, there is a bracket right there that you're gonna need to remove. Of course, we're gonna need to disconnect O2 sensors. For anyone that's not that experienced with working on cars, I am gonna be disconnecting, unscrewing the O2 sensors instead of going from on top and removing the charge pipes in the passenger air filter box to disconnect the O2s. This is easier for me instead of removing all that. So let's go ahead and get started guys. Alright then guys, the next thing you want to do, see the clamp up there? That's a 13mm bolt as well. There's another one right there as well for the rear toggle. So those you're gonna need to take off the clamp so you could be able to remove the downpipes. Alright then guys, so I got them out. If you're not that well, or just in general, if you're first time doing this, they are tricky. You gotta kind of maneuver this. Technically you have to remove the whole exhaust, but that is too much work just for some downpipes. You could maneuver, pry the exhaust against to remove the downpipes. Then let me show you them. So those are the right ones, are the OEM ones, catted of course, and then the Catless downpipe ones. So we're gonna start transferring the top sensors. I didn't disconnect them like I said, but the bottom ones I did since they're accessed at the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and swap them over. Just make sure to put them where they go. So if they're the bottom O2, they're the downstream sensors, put them downstream, because if you flip them, the car will not run right, and yeah, just don't do that. So let's go ahead and swap them over real quick and throw on the new downpipes. Alright then guys, so we have one last one, which is the front turbo downpipe. I already got this one in, pretty easy. So able to screw in back the other O2 sensor. Here's the bottom one, so we're gonna go ahead and put that one on right now. And then after the good stuff, you guys will be able to hear how it sounds and stuff. I'm extremely excited. I'm tired of this car being not loud. It's loud for what it is, but I want to hear those burbles and make it way louder than normal. Alrighty guys, they are in. So the best part is about to come, that we're gonna start this puppy up real quick right now. Oh yeah, guys, let's get it. Alrighty guys, let's get it. Let's go ahead and turn on the ignition. Put it in Sport Plus. Go ahead and turn it on. Oh, yes.